this is Gaurav Bajaj. Thank you so much for having us on Mind Wars. तो आज हम आए हैं यहाँ पर अपना दिमाग टेस्ट करने के लिए, to test our mind. Actually, इसका दिमाग
और इसका भी दिमाग टेस्ट करने
Let's see.
के लिए. अच्छा, I find human mind very fascinating. I just keep thinking about it, why people think in a different way and they behave in a different way. It's really fascinating for me.
Really?
Don't you think so?
But तुम अभी साइकोलॉजी की बात कर रही हो और this is not mind games. We are here to do mind wars. So this is more about talking about present affairs and general knowledge. So can we?
Yeah, it is. I have decided to choose psychology because that's my favorite subject. He's laughing at it. Can't you beat this?
Okay,
I am good at psychology. You know how much percentage I have
See
got?
how good you are, that we'll decide, and things will decide. So that's okay. I mean, we have a questionnaire, we have list of questions for you, so everybody will know how good you are in psychology. So yeah, my topic, as you asked, my topic for today is going to be cars. तुम चलाओ दिमाग, मुझे कार चलाने का बहुत शौक है, so I'm going to be sticking to
Gaurav,
cars.
you're not gonna win from me. You cannot overtake me.
Really?
Yeah.
ओवरटेक करने की बात कहाँ से आ गई मैडम?
हाँ, because
I
you're
mean-
very confident
No,
about it, like
one second.
overconfident. I
One
think.
second. ओवरटेक करने की बात तब आती है जब कोई पीछे रह जाता है. Am I right? I mean, जब पीछे ही नहीं है, I'm already leading, so पीछे रहने की बात.
See, Gaurav, I don't blame you. This is a cognitive bias. Yeah, cognitive bias. Where this is not cognitive. Cognitive bias where person's subjective confidence is reliably higher than the objective accuracy of the judgment.
Okay.
Didn't understand anything, and this is called overconfidence bias, Gaurav.
कैसे बोल लेते हो इतने सारे भारी
I
भारी
told
शब्द? It's like
you.
very strange.
Told you.
Wow, that was really fascinating. कौन सा bias था?
ये मैं तुम्हें ना इसके बाद समझाऊंगी.
नहीं,
Bias,
I actually-
overconfidence bias, cognitive bias, and your cognitive bias
Please
also.
मुझे ये जब मैं तुम्हें क्विज हरा दूँ अभी यहाँ फिलहाल, उसके बाद फिर तुम मुझे ये बताना जरूर वही जो कॉर्नेटो चॉकलेट
Okay, so we are starting now, guys. We are starting now.
Alright then, let the mind wars begin.
Okay, Gaurav. So brace yourself.
Alright, let's see.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask 10 questions. Are you ready?
Absolutely yes, please.
The trident logo of which car company is based on the Fountain of Neptune in Piazza Maggiore in Bologna? And your options are
Silent. Yeah, can I have some, options?
Audi, Maserati, Toyota, and Yamaha.
Audi, Toyota. See, Audi has rings. Toyota also has a circular logo kind of a thing. I'm just confused between Yamaha and... No, Yamaha also has 3 circular tuning forks. Not circular. Intersecting. I'll go with this, yeah. I'm just confused between Yamaha and Maserati. No, actually Yamaha also has 3 intersecting tuning forks. Trident, so that's Maserati.
Maserati. Your
Tell
answer
me.
is correct.
I knew it.
Okay, but I think for the second one, I don't know whether you know it or not.
Please go ahead.
So, Gaurav, your question number 2. Which South Korean car's brand's name means rising out of Asia? Do you want options?
Absolutely, please. I
Okay.
will know because I'm confused.
Are you
don't know the
okay? Confused. तुम तो मतलब
जल्दी
कार
बोल यार,
बफ हो ना?
जल्दी
Okay.
जवाब दो।
Hyundai, Toyota, Kia, and Mitsubishi.
answer. I'm confused between Hyundai and Mitsubishi.
Hyundai.
But I think.
फिर भी
uh,
सोचो.
नहीं, frankly, I don't know this, but
You
still,
can try.
as per my knowledge, rising out of Asia is Mitsubishi. Yeah, so I'll go with that.
Mitsubishi.
Please say, please
क्या
say
ये
the right
तुम्हारा-
answer.
क्या ये तुम्हारा फाइनल जवाब है?
अरे हाँ, lock कर.
लॉक कर दिया जाए?
हाँ.
फिर भी एक बार सोच लो. क्या तुम्हें फोन फ्रेंड करना है?
Can I please know the answer?
गलत जवाब, गौरव. गलत जवाब.
Shit, man, I lost.
मैंने
my
पूरी
second
कोशिश की, जैसे बिग बी समझाते हैं ना कि नहीं शायद सही
But what
जवाब
is the right answer?
किया
मतलब इतना छोटा से नाम का इतना बड़ा
इतना
मीनिंग
बड़ा
कैसे हो
meaning.
सकता है?
Okay, so next, third question.
Please.
Which car company started as Toyo Kogyo Company and derives its name from a god of wisdom?
Okay.
The options are Mazda,
Hmm.
Kia, Apollo,
Yeah, okay.
and Toyota.
Okay, thank you for the last question and the answer. So Kia skips out of these 4 options. I'll go with Mazda. That's Mazda.
सही जवाब.
I knew it. I was just trying to create little. इसको लगे कि मुझे आता है. Can I have the question number 4, please?
The logo of which automobile company is called Prancing Horse? Do you need an option for this?
I would give you an option. Skip this question because I'm going to lead after this question.
Oh my god.
Believe me, this is something a kid of 3-4 years would know right now. Ferrari it is.
Simple.
So yeah, I told you to skip this question. Give me another one, but it was too easy. So
ठीक है,
I'm scoring.
but I think थोड़ा बहुत simple.
मैंने सिर्फ एक ही आंसर गलत दिया अभी तक ना. I'll share an interesting fact trivia about this question and Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari. So Enzo Ferrari is the founder of Ferrari, and the company was supposed to be launched in 1940s, which actually they couldn't launch it because of the World War II had started, and the factory was bombed by the Allied forces in 1947 or in 1945-44, 2 years साथ में, and then finally in 1947 Ferrari was launched. They made a debut and here it is, Ferrari.
So, the fifth question for you is which car brand established in 1914 derives its name from one of the founders' surname and the stretch of a road in Hertfordshire, England?
Aston Martin it is. Tell me quickly, everybody wants to know.
It's
How
the right
sure?
answer.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
So, the sixth question is which car company was started by the brothers Horace and John in 1900 in Detroit and is currently owned by Chrysler Corporation?
Can I
And
have
the
the option? I
options
know
are-
the answer, but I want to be a little sure of this.
I'll give you options: Dodge, Ford, Citroen, Toyota.
Toyota, Citroen, Dodge, and Ford. Okay, so see, Dodge and Ford are these 2 American companies, and Ford is owned by Henry Ford. That's Dodge. I think it's Dodge.
Yeah, it is.
Question number
Okay,
7,
which
guys.
car from the Ford stable is named after breed of horse?
See,
Ford
it
stable.
is Mustang. I'll tell you why. Because it is the wild horse. The horse itself, the logo of Mustang on the car grill is the Mustang. Tell everybody how
You know
correct
what?
I am.
Yeah,
Can I have the
and-
question number 8,
and
please?
You know what? I am also getting so much of knowledge about cars. I never knew. I don't even
Unlike
know many
food and
names
recipes,
also.
unlike food and recipes, what I share with you.
Food, you're gonna make something, and for me.
But I am sharing
food
my car
and
knowledge with
recipes.
you. So unlike
I'll
what
share
I
my psychology recipe with you. Not recipe, psychology knowledge.
साइकोलॉजी ऐसे होता है, चम्मच से घोट के पी लो.
Acha, the second, the eighth question.
Please.
Which automobile brand gets its name from the daughter of Emil Jelinek?
Can
The
I say
options
the
are-
answer already? So the correct answer is Mercedes Benz. Mercedes.
In 1925, which car brand lit up the Eiffel Tower अरे वाह, as the world's largest advertising sign that got them into the Guinness Book of World Record?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
Options में देती हूँ. This is also very interesting for me.
Okay.
Audi, Toyota, Dodge, Citroen.
Audi. No. See, this was in Paris, so it has to be a France brand कौन सी है यार? So that is not there. 1925 you are asking me so much, मतलब मैं इतना भी knowledge
अरे
नहीं.
तो general
but still,
knowledge ना.
No, I'm guessing onto it with the fact because this happened in Paris.
हाँ.
So it has to be a French name, French brand. Like Audi, no. Toyota was also an option.
Toyota was an option.
And Toyota, no.
Dodge.
Dodge is an American. I have already
Citroen.
answered. So 1925, I think as far as looking at the options and everything, I'll go for Citroen. 1925, the logo, Citroen.
सही जवाब. Okay, so
Yes.
10th question. The last one. Let's see. The name of which car brand means I roll in Latin? देख तो नहीं रहे हो, इसलिए तो नहीं जीत रहे.
You all saw that I didn't. I roll.
Volvo, I
Okay.
roll in Latin.
Okay.
Okay. Volvo, Audi, Buick, Dodge.
Shit, yeah. I feel sad for you. You know why? Because I know the answer and with the fact again. Because, I mean, wow. See, I roll. I roll itself means revolve. So, all those options doesn't stand for me when it comes to Volvo because Volvo is the correct answer. Now, another thing about Volvo, what I'll tell you about that great gesture. Volvo is the first company in the world to make the feature of seatbelt in the car.
Wow.
They have made it and they made sure that all the other cars can also have this feature. So they didn't do that copyright kind of a
Copyright
thing,
thing. That's
or whatever
so
you call
nice.
it. So isn't that a great gesture by Volvo?
Yeah,
So
so good
otherwise,
now for history.
but now you get PPP to remind you to put the seatbelt. And for the safety reason, thank you so much Volvo for letting me know this and winning
All
this
of
quiz
us know
already.
this.
Boom, 9 on 10.
Yeah,
It
maybe
is.
I'll be 10 on 10.
Achha, I have so much of information about cars. Do you even have a bit of information
Yeah,
about it?
I didn't even know the names of the cars.
I know.
So many things, but it's very interesting, yaar. I got so much of knowledge.
और आप लोग माइंड वॉरियर्स घर बैठे बैठे अगर खेलना चाहते हैं और अपना नॉलेज बढ़ाना चाहते हैं लॉग इन टू Z5 ऐप एंड प्ले माइंड वॉर्स.
Yes. Want to be the first to know about the videos of Mind Wars on their YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon.
Also remember, the knowledge increases when you share it. So like it, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.